Attention all surgical technologists across Texas. This is your chance to elevate your skills, earn your credits, and connect with your professional community. The Texas State Assembly of the Association of Surgical Technologists is hosting an exclusive in-person workshop in Port Arthur, Texas, and you're invited. Join us at Lamar State College, located at 1500 Proctor Street, for a full day of learning and professional growth. That's 8 live continuing education credits, all in one powerful workshop designed to keep you sharp, confident, and up to date in the OR. Whether you're a seasoned CST or just beginning your surgical technology journey, this workshop delivers the knowledge, networking, and real-world insights you need to thrive. Don't miss this opportunity to invest in yourself, strengthen your practice, and stay at the top of your profession. Register today and join your fellow surgical technologists in Port Arthur for a day that moves your career forward. The Texas State Assembly of AST, offering the education by the sea. 8 live CEs, one unforgettable experience. Register now. www.texasstateassembly.org.
Hi, this is President Christy Cole, and I would like to invite you to Port Arthur as we offer 8 live CEs. See you there.